Hiya, Lesley Redman here, Specialist Oral Health Trainer. Here today to chat with you about bioXtra dry mouth product range. We've got quite a few products out there. I'm going to chat to you today about this little fella, bioXtra dry mouth spray gel. Used for dry mouth, particularly dry mouth. I'll go through what it contains first of all. It does have fluoride in it, which is a bonus. It has 150 parts per million of fluoride in here, and we know that fluoride protects against tooth decay and it strengthens enamel, always a bonus. And it does have moisturisers, and also it does have the natural enzymes in it that saliva already has. It is gluten-free and alcohol-free. Great, I like that about this little product, but it does contain traces of milk and egg white protein, so if you are allergic to the ingredients, don't use it. Going to explain the best way to use it. I know you think it's quite self-explanatory, but to get the most effectiveness out of these sprays, I would advise using it underneath the tongue and either side of the cheeks, as that's where the saliva glands are. You literally only need a few sprays of this, which I'll show you, into the mouth where the saliva glands are, and it will maintain the hydration. It will maintain hydration for about 4 to 6 hours. It's a nice little handy sized bottle. It's a 50ml bottle, so it can be placed in your handbag. As I like to say, it's handbag friendly, and it can be used throughout the day. You can use it at night as well. You can also use it in conjunction with the other bioXtra dry mouth products, so the gels and the mouth rinses. You know, you can use them all together. It aims to provide comfort and protection against dry mouth, alleviate the symptoms of dry mouth. There's nothing worse than a dry mouth. You know, you'd have trouble chewing, swallowing, speaking, lipstick to the teeth, lots of discomfort throughout the day, but things like these can really help for that. Now with these products, the bioXtra products, they are available on prescription from a GP, they are available over the counter, and you can also get them online as well. So yeah, bioXtra dry mouth spray gel. So please like the video if you like it, thumbs up, subscribe there's more videos on there for you to view, and if you follow the link below, again you can get more information on these products. Thank you once again for listening.